for some reasons, I'm so happy that the party is alive. This party will not die. And I would have been absent from this meeting if I had known that the next meeting of the 28th of November was going to be postponed. I would have still continued with my medical checkup. That then the secretary would have also asked for my, told you that I'm absent. Having said so, the meeting will go on. We'll go on, and I'm happy that our MC here will report, and of course our records will report to the acting national chairman and the national secretary the outcome of this meeting. I want to once again welcome you all to this emergency meeting of the Board of Trustees. It is an honor to address this esteemed gathering, whose commitment to our party's values and principles remains unwavering. Today, we convene under challenging self-inflicted circumstances, compelled by our collective concern for the current state of our great party. As custodians of the People's Democratic Party's conscience and legacy, it is our responsibility to uphold the integrity of this institution and ensure that it continues to serve as a beacon of hope for our democracy and good governance for our dear nation. It is with a deep sense of disappointment that I must express the board's dismay at the continued shifting by the National Working Committee in convening a National Executive Committee meeting. This delay not only undermines the trust and confidence of our members. We recognize that challenges may arise during governance and administration, but adherence to timelines and commitments is non-negotiable. Inasmuch as the Board of Trustees serves as the conscience of the party, we expect that the NWC would honor its word and convene the next meeting as scheduled. This is critical for resolving pressing issues and charting a clear path forward for the party. Let us remember that our strength lies in our unity and adherence to democratic principles. The NEC serves as a vital platform for decision-making, consultation, and collaboration among all levels of the party's leadership. Further delays could exacerbate existing challenges and sow unnecessary discord within our ranks. As the BOT, we will not relent in our efforts to ensure accountability and adherence to the party's constitution. We urge the NWC to rise to the occasion, demonstrating leadership and responsibility by making sure that the time fixed next year, February, to convene the next meeting is adhered to. On the national front, the harsh economic policies of the Tinubu administration have exacerbated the suffering of Nigerians. The skyrocketing cost of living, coupled with poorly implemented economic reforms, has pushed millions into deeper poverty. The promises of economic relief have proven hollow, leaving families struggling to make ends meet. We are still expecting improvement from all the promises being made by this government. On our part, our party must rise to this occasion by offering credible alternatives and amplifying the voices of the suffering masses, let us reaffirm our commitment to the values of fairness, equity, and prosperity for all Nigerians. And to achieve this, we can't achieve this without having a credible opposition, which is what is lacking in our democracy in Nigeria today. Internally, we must put our house in order. I want to use this platform to call for unity among our PDP governors. The strength of our party lies in our collective resolve, not in individual pursuits. We cannot afford to let personal ambitions or differences overshadow our shared vision for a better Nigeria. Our governors are the bedrock of the PDP's successes across states, and their synergy is vital for our collective progress. Let us prioritize dialogue, collaboration, and a sense of shared responsibility as we navigate these trying times. The BOT will be relentless in seeking for peace and unity in our party as the conscience of PDP. To this end, the BOT will begin again to search for peace in the new year, starting with former Governor Nyesom, who the BOT had promised to visit again to seek lasting peace. Finally, as we approach the festive season, I extend warm Christmas wishes to every member of this party and to all Nigerians. This is a time of hope, reflection, and renewal. Let us use this season to rekindle the values of love, unity, and sacrifice that Christmas embodies. May the joy of this season inspire us to work harder for a better Nigeria and a stronger PDP. In conclusion, let me assure you that the BOT remains resolute in its commitment to ensuring that PDP emerges stronger and more united. Together, we can and will overcome these challenges. A communique issued at the end of the emergency meeting of the Board of Trustees of the People's Democratic Party, Thursday, December 5th, 2024, at the NEC Hall of the National Secretariat. Today, Thursday, December 5th, 2024, thoroughly assessed the state of affairs of the party and nation and resolved as follows. 1. The BOT expresses deep worry over the current state of affairs of the party, PDP, particularly with regards to the administration of the party. 2. The Board of Trustees demands that the National Working Committee immediately commences the restoration of internal harmony, unity, stability, and public confidence in the party by respecting the PDP constitution and adhering to the zoning of NWC offices to the various geopolitical zones in the country. 3. BOT calls on the PDP Governors Forum to be more united and work along with other organs of the party to resolve issues in the party expeditiously. 4. The BOT is deeply disappointed over the continued shifting by the NWC in convening a National Executive Council meeting. This delay not only undermines the trust and confidence of our members, but portrays our party as having been hijacked by certain interests. The BOT demands that the NWC should show leadership, honor its word, and convene the NEC meeting as scheduled in February 2025. This is critical for resolving pressing issues and charting a clear path forward for the party. Any further postponement will exacerbate existing challenges and may spell doom for our party. 6. The BOT calls on the leaders of the North Central Zone to immediately convene a meeting of North Central stakeholders with a view to nominating a replacement for former National Chairman Senator Iyorchia Ayu. The BOT stressed that the strength of the PDP lies in collective resolve and not in individual pursuits. The BOT cannot therefore afford to let personal ambitions or differences overshadow the shared vision for a better Nigeria. To this end, the BOT remains committed to its search for true reconciliation, unity, and harmony in the party. 9. On the national front, the BOT laments that the harsh economic policies of the Tinubu administration have exacerbated the suffering of Nigerians as skyrocketed cost of living has pushed millions of our citizens deeper into poverty, with no hope in sight under the APC administration. Finally, 10, the BOT and indeed the PDP continue to stand with Nigerians and demands that the Tinubu administration revisits and reviews all its anti-people policies and its insensitivity, profligacy, corruption, and allow for effective management of national resources for the good of all Nigerians. Merry Christmas, Nigerians. Thank you.